Hey yo, my OG told me slow it bro, if dreams are flowing global ocean. Still stuck at local notion, want some shows in Nova Scotia, training like...
Yo, what's good everybody? This is Suheel back with Feelgood Threads, and today I've got a pair of Jordan Why Nots. See how it says Why Not? And this pair here is actually for one of my buddies, Nate, who I went to UC Santa Barbara with. And his son's birthday just came up, so we're gonna fix him up a pair of fresh new customs. Not a lot of direction besides, hey, he likes Hypebeast stuff like Bape and Supreme, so we're gonna do some Bape and Supreme. All right. I'm not gonna tape the process, but I will tape the unveiling for you guys, and we'll check his reaction out as we go. All right, guys. See you guys in a bit. Later. Let's have you have a seat and let's see what you think about your shoes. I heard you wanted Supreme.
Yeah, I love Supreme. Oh my god! What? Oh my! I can't even speak right now.
So you think they're okay?
I think they're amazing.
Yeah? Because you said you wanted Bape and you wanted Supreme, right?
Yeah.
So we put the two together. Your dad bought the shoes for us. And you're the first person I've done this aqua kind of Bape Supreme print.
Awesome.
So.
What do you think?
Thank you so much.
No problem, man. You wanted the initials on the side, right? Is that right? Got the initials on the side. I use the same Bape colors because you know Bape has a WGM, World Gone Mad.
Yeah.
So I use those same colors, and I put your initials there.
This is amazing. This is my dream shoe.
That's awesome.
That's what he said.
Thank you so much.
You know how I got the inspiration? You remember that picture that you drew?
Oh yeah.
With the teeth on the side. You ended up having the teeth on the side. You had your initials on the side, and you had the Bape print. It was a red camo though, right?
Yeah, it was red.
So I just switched it up a little bit. So
yeah, that makes it a lot better.
Hey, so one last thing. Guess what? This thing right here has been on the whole time. So we just taped your reaction right now. So we're gonna put you on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Sweet. Hey, will you do me a favor? Will you pull one of those shoes out and show the guys what you got today?
We can take them both out.
Yeah, you can take them both out.
Wow, this is unbelievable.
So what do you think? Are you going to play basketball in those, or are you going to hang out in those?
I'm probably going to play basketball.
I knew he was going to say that. Yeah, I think a lot of people are going to notice you on the court, man.
These are my dream shoes. I literally always wanted to have my own custom pair of shoes.
I guess what? Today you got it, man.
Yep.
And you drove a long way to get them, so you deserve them.
Thank you.
So if you keep doing what you're doing on the basketball court, you said you got a lot of assists, right?
A lot of assists. I usually get assists.
Okay, cool.
Shots, but
And what about defense? You playing defense?
yeah, I'm working on it.
Working on it?
Yeah.
Just keep doing what you're doing, get your grades up, and I'm sure we'll get you another pair of customs soon. Cool?
Cool.
Awesome. You want to say peace out to the camera?
Bye.
Tryna play low, why you acting so dope? It's nothing but what we all want. Baby, we're still young, we have so much to become. So do what you want, yeah, we're tryna play low.
My folks bugging, my auntie's asking when I'ma bag one. Introduced him to a bad one, but I didn't shop pack, son. She was a black queen, brown parents, worried about a black grandson, a granddaughter. I said don't worry cause we playing smarter. We would hit the mod so it slam on them. We was in love, no gram drama. I was thinking marriage so I planned on her. Maybe I was dumb, I ain't understand, honest. I don't know what happened when we lost steam. Maybe it was my fault, earthquake, but my world shake, rock bottom. Made a mistake in my cloudy days. I saw rain, you felt pain. And you heard me back, I was Beats by Dre. Never let a phony call me bro again. Thought I was Superman in Lois Lane.